Hillbilly Nitro, here we are, guys. Back with another episode. The Walk and Talk. Episode 89. You like my little job right there? Yeah, we got a little late one going on with tonight, so got a little something different going on. Got a little bigger box going on, don't we? Yeah, and look, I already kind of almost opened it up, and here comes the fire truck for us. What a great timing. It's just great timing. So here we are. Yeah, I kind of screwed up on a video and almost opened this up completely, but I didn't. So let's get to it. I've already got some of this done here. Maybe it'll speed my slow knife box cutting up. People always complain how slow I cut a box, but here we are. Check this out. You probably already read the title. Look what we got. That's something a little different, huh? Oh yeah. That's what we got going on. So there's that. Show you the box here. A little something new. For real life. Yeah. So let's open her up. Get my knife back out of my pocket. The old Surefire there. And it sounds like the fire truck and ambulance is coming for us and everything. There we go, the old Cadet. Yeah, so this come UPS. And UPS is like super late getting to my house. So it's like 8 o'clock right now. A little bit past 8. So that's why we're doing a late night one here. Trying to kind of hurry before it gets dark on us. Here we go. This is and we had a little issue here. I believe some other people did too. I wanted to mention it in the video because I tell you guys about my experiences. So ordered this on the 18th, and it just got here today. Ordered it straight from Leatherman. Oh, there she is. Wow. And didn't hear nothing from them. So didn't get no email, telling me my order went through, everything. No tracking number, no nothing. Done a little digging around and sent them an email last night. And I got yesterday. Yesterday they sent me an email. I sent them the email the night before, which would have been Thursday. Today's Friday. So I got an email Thursday with the tracking number. Sent the email on Wednesday. And said it would be here Friday, and here it is. So I don't know. Seems I seen some other people was having that issue too. They didn't hear nothing from them. Just something to keep in mind if you order direct from them. I don't know if that's what they do all the time or what. There's the sheath for it, case, whatever you want to call it. Pretty nice. I like that button there. It's pretty slick. Or snap, whatever you want to call it. Snap button. Some nylon. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's get here it is, 4 minutes into the video and I ain't even got it out yet. I'm gonna get in trouble. There she is. I have a Gerber. I didn't bring it out here. I'm gonna have to find it. I don't know where it's at. I plan on doing a comparison. Got a little weight to it. I should have brought the scales out here too. Damn, I forgot everything. Wind's probably blowing on the microphone. Please don't blow. You're just gonna have to apologize for the wind there. That's another thing I forgot to tell you, the wind's blowing. So anyways, here we go. That is sweet, man. That's, see that lock? It's got like a detent it locks into. See that click right there? Strong too. Very nice. Watch that detent. Locks in. Pretty strong. Very nice. Let's check out what we got going on here. Does it say what we got? Let's see here. And don't say what all the features it has or what they're called there. I guess we'll just figure it out ourselves here. It feels quality. I'll tell you that. I mean, it's a Leatherman. We know Leatherman is quality. There's the blade on it, full serrate. I had only experience I have really with a Leatherman is I had the Squirt back in the day, and I really like that. And this thing is sharp. I can tell you that right now. Man, it's sharp. Oh yeah, very sharp. Locks in. I guess you just pull up right there. Just pull it back. There's your file screwdriver. Very nice. There's flathead. Another flathead. I'm guessing that's a wire stripper. More wind blowing. Okay, died down a little bit. And can opener. Kind of reminds me of that. Hey. There's that one. And of course those all lock in there if you pull them all the way back. I like how that snaps in there. Let's see what we're getting now. There's a straight blade there. Very nice. But it feels sharp too. Oh yeah. Very sharp. Very nice. I like it. It looks like you can let that unlock with it closed. Pull down. There you go. Very nice. So let's go ahead and leave that open, see what else we got going on. Another flatheads. Looks like it's got an edge right there, a cutting edge right there. I really don't know what that is, and I don't have any papers here saying what all it has, I don't think. Nope. Here comes the wind again. I'm trying to kind of like cup the microphone. I don't know how bad that is, but I can tell it's picking it up. Phillips. I hope I don't have to reshoot this video. And we got some scissors. Very nice. This thing just feels super smooth. It's one of the best I've felt so far. Oh yeah, let's see if it'll cut all that paper at once. Oh yeah, cuts right through it. There's your spring there. Close up, there's wire cutters. You can do some cutting there. I like how you can change those out in case you cut something a little too hard and gouge it, you can change that blade right there. I don't have any. Let's test her out here on this stick. And sharp too. Very nice. Give you a look here. Leatherman free. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Let's check it out in the case real quick. We'll wrap this video up. Give you a look at it there. It's like a gunmetal grayish color. Very nice. Wish I'd have brought my scales out. I mean, it's got a little weight to it, but it's not very heavy. Keep an eye out for a comparison video, and I will weigh them. I'm going to compare it to my Gerber, and I will have a link in the description. I'll probably shoot that video tomorrow. Go ahead and drop it too. Drop this one tonight. You'll have the weight in it and everything. I was a little unprepared for this video because it's getting dark on me. Leatherman free P4. Got a little traction there, kind of slick, but you can feel a little traction there. It's nothing major. Looks kind of like a beast, guys. Looks like a beast. I thank you guys for tuning in, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace.